What's up guys, just here today, and today I'm going to be upgrading my PC today. For right now, I just have my graphics card and processor, and for the graphics card I have a GTX 1660 Super, and for my processor I got the Ryzen 7 3700X. But over here for my setup, I still got my Acer pre-built. It's not that good, it's got like a GTX 1050, so I'm going to be upgrading pretty much everything. I got my Ducky 1-2 Mini and my still my Razer or not a Chroma mouse. I got a new mouse pad. I got the Steel Series flipping extra large mouse pad. Covers up most of my desk. So yeah, I'm just updating my stuff and I'm gonna turn it off because I still need to get my hard drive out because I did not buy another one of those. That's like the only thing I haven't upgraded was the hard drive. So yeah, I just gotta wait for the rest of the stuff to come in the mail, which is gonna be coming in like an hour or so. So yeah, I'll show you guys when everything comes here. So the package finally came. I got my motherboard and my PCU in here, and then I got my case right here. I got the NZXT H510 case. See it right there? So yeah, I'm gonna unbox them now. So right here I got my Corsair power supply. I got 650 watts. So yeah. And then for my motherboard, I got the XR70 Aorus Elite. So yeah. So we just got done putting everything together, and that is how it's looking right now. We're just gonna reorganize the setup, plug everything back in, and then yeah, we'll be good.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, we just got finished putting everything together. The cables, not so good down there, but I was gonna do that later. And then for right now, I'm gonna be taking off the film that is on the tempered glass of the case. You just get a little piece off of it. Okay guys. It's actually very, very hard to pull off. Not that satisfying, really. Ooh. Final part down here. So this little part right here. And I'll get that later. So yeah, that is it. And I'm gonna be hitting the power button. Don't really know what's gonna happen, but I'm just hoping everything comes together. Moment of truth. Nothing happened yet. Oh fudge. I remember. Forgot to turn on the power supply. Okay, now I should be good. Oh, there we go. Got everything all lit up. Let's see what happens on the screen. If anything's gonna happen on the screen. We do have it up though. Okay, we got that sticker off now. Dang. Huh. Everything looks to be starting up. But yeah, it looks really nice. We got LED right there. Thought that was supposed to light up, but it hasn't yet. The PC has started up, but none of our Ducky 1-2 or the Razer mouse have not lit up yet. So I'm slightly concerned on why. I'm just gonna, oh, we got something here. We got something there now. Everything's looking good now. Hey, here's the setup from out here, you know. It looks really good. Just gotta wait. So I just got everything all hooked up, and now I'm gonna show you guys the setup. So this is the setup now. I still got a 60Hz monitor though. I'm gonna upgrade to a 144 soon though. But yeah, there's the computer. I got a GTX 1660 Super and a Ryzen 7 3700X, and yeah. Got Fortnite. If you guys want to add me, there's my gamer tag right there. But yeah, everything's looking good, and you know, it's really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything down in the description though for you guys. So yeah, and now that I got a way better setup, I'm gonna be making a lot more gaming videos for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for those because they're gonna be coming. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends if you have any, and yeah, peace out.